welcome back to another video of Cosplay Genie powered by Northwind Gaming. You already know how anime movies and gaming characters are based on some special powers like fire, ice, water, dark, etc. So today we are going to focus on one such element, that is the fire element. So all the flame lovers, fire up and brace yourself for this beautiful walkthrough. So these are the materials that would be required to make this prop: round crystal button, transparent ball, 9-volt battery, red and yellow 1-watt button LED, switch, red PVC folder. First, I will stick these buttons inside the ball with the help of hot glue gun. So after gluing all these buttons, it will look like this. In order to make flames, I will cut this folder in the required shape and cutting them out in different designs. And my foam pieces are ready. And to give it a flame look, I will just blow a heat gun over these pieces. Just like this, and my flame pieces are ready. In order to make the base, I will just trace down the bottom part of the ball. Just like this. Now I will cut the trace part carefully. So my base is ready, and yes, it fits so right. Now I will apply hot glue onto the flame pieces. Now sticking these pieces on the crystal ball with the help of hot glue gun. Make sure you cover the entire ball. Here I am tracing the battery onto the UVA foam in order to fix it into the base part. Yay, my battery fits perfectly. Another hole for the switch. And to make connections, I am using this battery clip connector. With the help of a soldering iron, I will join the switch to the clip connector. Just like this. Now joining a 10 ohm resistor on the other terminal of the switch. Now joining both the LEDs in series with the end terminal of the battery. Tada! Connection is done. Oh, it's working fine. Here I am sticking a small piece of EVA foam over the battery. And LEDs over it. base is ready. Just needed to stick the ball and the base together. And my half cold, half hot SHOTO flames are ready. Let's switch off the lights. I hope you guys liked it. Do like, share and subscribe for more amazing cosplay tips and tricks, and let us know in the comment section what cosplays have you guys been working on recently. This is your genius Supriya Gautam signing off for now. See you soon.